What we've got here is another war horse, if you will, in my collection. It's another kind of cool rifle that I've got. This is a Bnz 1942. Bnz is the code for Steyr, which is in Austria and still makes guns today. Probably one of the most famous ones is the Steyr bullpup, and I believe that is still the rifle of choice for the Austrian army. You'll notice there it's just got the Nazi eagle firing proof. You notice too the bluing on this one is real thin and spotty. This rifle, I assume too, has been through a lot as well. You'll see there the Bnz 42. Cool thing about this rifle too is that the barrel was actually replaced sometime during the war. This rifle actually went into a depot for arsenal repair. One of the ways you can tell is you'll see there it's got the 7.92. That's the actual caliber, but I don't know if you can see it right there is a 0.2. Germans stamped that into any barrel that was a replacement, so that's how you can tell this has a replacement barrel on it. You see, just kind of more of that spotty bluing and stuff. Of course, it's a red glue laminate, cut butt plate. Interesting thing too is though, I believe this stock was probably actually replaced when it went into arsenal, because it doesn't have any sort of waffenance or anything like that. And once again, probably can't pick it up with this camera, but you may be able to see a real faint kind of mark right there. That's actually a very small depot mark that has a little Nazi war eagle on it with the letter WS and then 1. And that was a code for that specific depot. Unfortunately, I can't remember what depot it stood for, but that's the depot marking. And you'll see over here it's got the serial number there they put on the wood, 8571. And what's also interesting is that this rifle is entirely matching except for this floor plate. It's got a different serial number than the 8571 of the rest of the rifle. However, the wear is pretty consistent with the rest of it, so it's probably assumed that with the replacement of the barrel and the stock, they replaced the floor plate as well. That was kind of common in some of the depot repairs. They didn't always renumber the stuff. They just replaced it with the spare that they had around. And you'll see, the bluing just kind of continues real spotty throughout. Up here it's real worn down. But that's typical you'll find of rifles that were used a lot during the war. The front bands are going to be worn a lot, as well as the bolt handle and things like that. Those are some of the areas that get worn out real quickly. So that's pretty much all there is to this Bnz 42 that I have.